Let me show you all of the settings that you can find for Do Not Disturb mode in OnePlus Nord 5. So first of all, we'll need to open a settings on our device. We can then scroll down to the sounds and vibrations, select Do Not Disturb mode, and then we can activate or deactivate Do Not Disturb mode with the switch right here. Or you can also adjust different settings. So starting with the second one is silence media when you're in Do Not Disturb mode. And when you activate it, as it says, it will silence all of the media sounds. Then there's schedules. You can schedule Do Not Disturb mode for a specific time. Click on the plus button and then you can customize the specific time when it starts and how long will it last. You can repeat it every day or customize it for a specific days of the week. Then we have calls and messages with exceptions. So you can add specific tabs from your calls and messages to exceptions, which will be able to bypass Do Not Disturb mode. So you can select none. That means you won't be able to see notifications from anyone, from everyone, contacts, or your starred contacts only, your favorite contacts only. Additionally, there's also apps that you can activate to bypass Do Not Disturb mode as well. You can also activate a ring for repeated callers, so if somebody tries to call you multiple times in a span of 3 minutes, then the call will go through with the sound. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.